I love the fact I can sew eyelets with a sewing machine. Now they hide out in the buttonhole menu. So if you go here and then scroll all the way down to the end, 61 and 62 are your satin stitch eyelet and straight stitch eyelet. So just pick the one you want. Plus, it tells us to put on foot 20C, kind of allows you to see where you're going. And no matter what, you can actually make these bigger or smaller. You can make them oval or just smaller circles, and you can do the same thing for the straight stitch eyelet as well. So notice that it's not just the length you want. So I'm going to clear these out and let you see how these stitch. Stitch 61 is the zigzag eyelet. We're going to just go ahead and let it do its little, it kind of does a underlay stitching and then stitches the zigzag over the top of it with the locking stitches at the end. All right, so that's the pre-programmed size of that. But if we were to make any changes, like let's go ahead and make it more long, so more ovalish, and then it just will, change the stitches so you have a different look altogether. How cool is that? You know, eyelets can be used in lots of places, such as like where curtain rings might go through, or you just need something that's going to draw through the actual fabric and you want it to be secure. I've also used these as like bubbles or decorative items for some fish type of feature, and you can again, this could also be done as quilting. So you could actually like doing it where instead of tying the quilt, you can actually use decorative stitches and place them in the middle of your blocks. So let's just do something fun. I'm going to make this a lot more like smaller circles. So you could see we could alter the way and size these are meant to stitch. If you have any trouble with them lining up, you can use the balance to this. You could also use a piece of stabilizer underneath if your fabric has any shifting going on, such as if you have batting in between your top and bottom layers. So have fun with some eyelets, 61 and 62.